So we're back. Most of y'all know where this place is, and if you're new, make sure you like and subscribe. And today, y'all know about Uriel, all right? If y'all been in a part of the channel, y'all know about him. This is his third time getting a perm. Damn! Like a re-perm. And his hair is like long all over. And this is how it's gonna be. He's getting like kind of tight, but not the tightest curls. And yeah, he's just getting a re-perm. And I'm gonna show up a picture like before, like how his hair was, like before the second re-perm, because his hair, the tips were only curly and it was already straight. So you could either just cut it off and then re-permed it. And yeah, but I got one tip for y'all that had perms. Use Shea moisturizer, about two big sprays, the conditioner or whatever. Leave it in your hair and don't wash it off. It's better than using Cantu or anything because it dries up your hair. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe if you know. And make sure to get me to 1K. I might have to cut my hair off at 1K. I might do it. Let's see how he looks after the perm's done. And this process has been about 3 hours, and we got the whole place to ourselves. Like, look, there's a barbershop right here. Ain't nobody in there. Barbershop here, here. This is like a big salon, all barbershops. And yeah, we've been here like all day, basically. 3 hours. He in there.
A empezar con sus fotos. Estaba tardando el camarógrafo que llegara.
Are these the tight rods?
Yeah, the tight ones. Son los apretados.
¿Los más apretados?
Sí, los más apretados son los más chiquititos.
Los rojos?
Los rojos.
So those red ones are the tightest ones, and these are like the most least tightest, but they're still tight. This is your third time re-permanent, right?
Yeah, third time.
Ya me pasó como el agua helada, ahora me puse nerviosa, me puedo quitar el carrete. Estamos bien.
How long have you been here? Like 3 hours?
Yeah, I'll say like two. It's like 2.5 hours.
The process has been taking 2.5 hours.
Le queda bien bonito.
So.
Tiene mucho pelo.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do
And
is
his
like,
perm's gonna turn out good because he's got a bunch of hair all over his head. So he's gonna have a perm all over. Because usually when people always start and get perms, they always get like a bunch of little hairs just in the front.
Yeah.
And it looks like they barely have hair. Because when I first got mine, I had mine barely hair in the front. And I had nothing on the sides.
Yeah, so
Now I have it all around.
¿Todo sí?
Yeah. See.
Se los cuida mucho.
Yeah.
Looks good now.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do is get all of it curly soon.
Yeah.
So which means I'm gonna let all my hair grow.
Es que es el pelo, ¿eh?
How are you gonna cut your hair then?
I'm gonna get a cut. Not yet. Not until like next. But like aquí sí me puedo cortar con como dármelo aquí poquito.
Como tú digas.
Sí. Yeah, como aquí es todo.
Las puras orillitas.
Yeah, sí, tomo aquí.
Sí. Ya se le volvió.
Sí, va a dejar todo aquí como chido después, so para mientras.
This is when we're going into the haircut. He barely wanted his sides cut. He got like a 1 on the sides because he's trying to get his hair all curly around.
Llegó la cámara, ¿no?
Sí.
Llegó la cámara oculta. Pues si tanto, si no me peino, me agarra bien peinada, así.
Now he's gonna go wash his hair off from all that product and all that.
All the chemicals.
Sí, ya cosas de papá no quiere.
No, papá. Papá. Funny like those.
Doesn't it always feel like water's gonna get in your neck and in your shirt?
Oh, me.
Recuéstate. No, recuéstate bien.
Para que no tiene que cortar todo acá.
That's your hair, Udina.
A ver, man. No, pues todo esto que, a ver, ¿cómo te va a cortarte el pelo allí? Se siente tan súper largo.
Así pues, mira, nomás las puntitas. ¿O lo sientes igual?
Yo creo que aquí no, aquí.
Se la ve bien redondo.
¿Sí?
Así se le ve bonita.
Yeah, since... Yeah,
You should
since...
do that.
Wait,
Just
so...
leave the Shea moisturizer.
So, like, all night, leave it on?
Yeah, like don't wash the Shea moisturizer off.
Just leave it on.
Because Cantu dries up your hair. So you can do that instead and just leave it.
Yeah,
You can leave conditioner in your hair.
Yeah, since para mejor cuando la fin del próximo mes,
¿Qué?
para así también se lo hay más chino después.
Ok.
Si Dios me deja.
Si Dios te deja, sí.
What should the title be?
Reperm.
Part 3.
Yeah. And this is his reperm after, without the cut. This is just all of it all. And I'm going to see him in about an hour or two, and then I'm going to show you how it looks like a days after. So yeah, let's go into it. Come on. You think it looks better the day after, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Anything you want to say to the cameras? Any tips?
Wait like 3 days until you can wash your hair after the perm.
All right. If y'all have any questions about perms or anything, make sure to leave a comment and we'll make a video answering everything. DM me on Instagram, official SoundCloud. If you have any questions, I'll answer them and make a video. Just leave questions. I got y'all.